You through how to change hidden photos password in your iPhone. To change it, first of all, if you go through your photos in your iPhone and scroll down a little bit, there you will see an option of hidden photos. If you try to open it, then it requires your Face ID or face code to open it. Now, if you want to change this passcode, then first of all, open your settings you have in your iPhone. Then scroll down and go through the Face ID and passcode option. Enter your phone passcode over here. Scroll down again and hit on the change passcode. Now, if you change the passcode of your phone, then it will automatically change the passcode of the hidden photos in your photos. So, change your passcode from here. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.